Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix fast charging not working in Narzo 80x. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger. After update a new one charger, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.